If you know the structure of major and minor chords, it's very easy to recognize them when they're written down on a stave. So from playing those chords before on the piano, you know that the distance from do to mi, do, mi, from the bottom note of the chord to the middle note of the chord is 4 semitones, or a major third. And then mi to so is a minor third, or 3 semitones, as you counted with your fingers before when you were playing the piano. And a minor chord is the opposite. La, do is a minor third, which has 3 semitones, the difference. And then do, mi is a major third, 4 semitones. If you go to the stave, in this example we'll be using the treble stave, if we put those notes on the stave, let's have a look at this first example. All we have to do is just count the semitones again. So the bottom note is what the chord is called after. So this note is an F. So it'll be an F major or F minor chord. One of the two. We need to do some semitone counting to find out exactly which. So let's do that now. F to this middle note, which is A, is how many semitones? Let's count. From F, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 4 semitones. So it's looking likely that we've probably got another major chord, but let's just measure the middle to the top just to be sure. A to a C, counting from the A, is 1, 2, 3. So the distance from the A to the 3 is 3 semitones. So this, in fact, is F, because it starts on the F, the bottom note, major. Major because it goes 4 semitones, then 3 semitones. Let's have another look at this example. Now notice how this bottom note here, this E, it starts on a line, and then the next note is on a line, and the next note is on a line. Chords generally do this. So this one here, our F major, starts in the space, and then the next note and the next note are also in the space. So let's measure this one. E to our middle note G. That is a distance of 1, 2, 3. 3 semitones. And then G to our top note of a B is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 semitones. So because we've just measured the structure of this chord, having 3 semitones and then 4, we know that this chord is E minor, because the bottom note is an E, and that's what it's called after. And the structure, 3 semitones then 4, tells us that it is minor.